Now, my next guest is also very optimistic about the future. I want to bring in our Marlin Steel CEO, Drew Greenblatt. Drew, you know, let's start with some of the things that this administration has done differently, and I think people might be surprised about. The tariffs, right? Seems like they've been more of a boon than a burden so far.
We are thrilled with the tariffs. It's been wonderful for our company, and it's been wonderful for manufacturing in general, because finally we're getting a level playing field. We're winning jobs that we never would have won in the past, where people normally would have bought from China or Mexico, Canada. Now they're buying from Americans. We use only American steel. We only build in our factory in Baltimore or Michigan or Indiana. So it really matters to the hometown heroes, all these factory workers. They depend on American policies being shrewd. And finally, we have a level playing field. There are so many good things going on with our policies right now. We're allowed to reinvest and then write it off. I think you're 100% correct. I think we're going to have a 5% GDP in the first quarter because all the stars are coming into alignment. It's a glorious time to be in American manufacturing. We're thrilled.
You know, the manufacturing data, we had the ISM manufacturing data came in at 52, absolutely phenomenal. And we had factory data that was better, Chicago PMI data that was better. And many are saying, hey, a lot of this, we go back, the pieces were put together last year, that one big, beautiful bill. And now I think we're starting to see the impacts of it.
You're absolutely correct. Marlin is leaning in. We're making baskets and carts with technology that's good, but because of the big, beautiful bill, we're investing in a big way. We bought our most expensive tool in company history, just shy of $2 million. It's a laser punch combination. It's called a TruMatic 3000. It'll make our parts 10 times faster than we're currently using. And it's going to make our team so much more effective, so much more productive. And this is because of the big, beautiful bill. This is going to power us through. It's going to make our employees more valuable. We're going to be able to pay them more. We're going to win more jobs. It's going to hurt the Chinese imports. It's going to hurt the Mexican imports, all those people buying from those countries. It's going to make it better for the American worker.
You know,
this is happening over and over again all throughout our nation.
No, I love your enthusiasm. And here's the thing, though. There's still so many people out there who are still complaining. And one thing that bothers me is they say, well, it takes 2 years to build this. It takes 4 years to build this. In my mind, then we should start building yesterday. It's just, isn't it worth it to reindustrialize our nation? By the way, I think it's also a major component of national security for us to reindustrialize this nation, bring back good paying jobs, and to be able to be self-sufficient.
You nailed it. I think there's a massive sea change. It's right now a time where we're about to watch the decoupling of the American economy and the Chinese economy. People are going to stop buying from China so much, and they're going to start buying from Americans. This is very good for the American manufacturing worker. It's very good for the poor people in our nation because they're going to have avenues to get into the middle class because American manufacturing jobs pay extraordinarily well. We all give health insurance. We give great 401k plans. We're going to be needing this talent to make these components here in America. We're going to start building things in America. It's going to be a fabulous experience for the American worker to get an avenue to get that car that you described or buy a home. It's a very optimistic, very positive time for the American factory worker.
What about the taxes? Isn't there a provision in there for factory workers?
So right now, when our factory workers work overtime, which we ask them to do a lot, now they don't have to pay taxes on the overtime. It's extraordinarily good for those employees that grind so hard, work so hard, week in, week out. Finally, they get to keep that money that used to be taxed. It's a fabulous thing for the middle class. It encourages our employees to work and engage more and put in those extra hours. Spend a little time away from your family, but you're making more money in the bank.
Yeah, and you know what? And being able maybe to do things for your family, the blue-collar wave, we want to see it come back, and it is. Drew, you've always been at the forefront. Thank you for sharing your optimism, and I love the fact that you're investing in your business as well. Thanks a lot.